This is the piano accompaniment tutorial on Hello by Adele. Here's middle C. We'll cover the song in its original key, F minor. The first chord pattern is played for the intro, the verses, and the ending. We'll cover the right hand first. First chord is F minor. The keys are F, A flat, and C. The second chord is A flat major, E flat, A flat, and C. The third chord is E flat major. The keys are E flat, G, and B flat. The last chord is D flat major. The keys are D flat, F, and A flat. On the left hand we have our roots. F, A flat, E flat, and D flat. Together it sounds like this: F minor, A flat major, E flat major, and D flat major. As mentioned, chord pattern number 1 is played for the intro, the verses, and the ending. The second chord pattern is played for the pre-chorus. We'll cover the right hand first. F minor, E flat major, C minor, C, E flat, G, D flat major, F minor, E flat major, D flat major. On the left hand we are playing our root notes: F, E flat, C, D flat, F, E flat, D flat. Together it sounds like this: F minor, E flat major, C minor, D flat major, F minor, E flat major, D flat major. As mentioned, this chord pattern is played for the pre-chorus. This next chord pattern is played for the chorus. These are the same chords that we have learned before. On the right hand we have F minor, D flat major, A flat major, E flat major. On the left we're playing our root notes: F, D flat, A flat, and E flat. Now playing both hands: F minor, D flat major, A flat major, E flat major. This chord pattern is played for the chorus and also the extended chorus at the end. For the end we will be playing the first chord pattern we had learned, except we will be ending with an F minor. That concludes our tutorial. If any of you would like to have this tutorial in a different key, please comment below and let me know which key you'd like to have the tutorial in.